Kailangan nila ng isang magandang service dito para hindi makapag-create ng play ang Perpetual.
Lyceum hoping to stay unbeaten and match the record of Benilde and Letran. Here we go. Tulang starts the rally.
Oh!
It's an ace!
Good service by Tulang. It's her 20-point mark.
Wow! So Jaja Tulang becomes the 7th player this season to reach 20 points, and she does it with this game-winning service ace.
Wow. Isang magandang serve for this crucial point.
And the LPU Pirates stay unbeaten, 4-0, matching the record of Benilde and Letran.